Good morning, children. Lesson 4. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, is going to be discussed with you. You see, before you read, in 1997, means only 23 years ago, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla is called Indian American because she was born in India but obtained American citizenship. That is why Kalpana Chawla is called an Indian American. Okay, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia. Crew aboard means within the craft. What was the name of the craft? US Space Shuttle Columbia. Becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission means target in Columbia ended in tragedy means mishap. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, unlike a rocket. Okay, a rocket goes only for one time, but a spacecraft is made for repeated space travel. For example, between Earth and a space station. Okay, use a dictionary to do the tasks below. What is the task? Find out the meanings of the following words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. A. Naturalized US citizen means admitted US citizenship to foreigners. Okay? A space. What is a space? This is called infinite sky. Frontiers of a space. This is called outer limits between celestial bodies. Aboard to be in a space shuttle. Lift off. How is it different from take off? Lift off means to take off from base. Crew members of flight. Second, notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. Okay? In British English, this airplane is called aeroplane. The program in British English is the spelling of program is different but in American English it is different. You see, this is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? So I think you know the spelling of aeroplane and program. A news report. Tragedy in space. US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. First of all, we have to see in an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st January 2003, killing all seven on board. You know the meaning of board? The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am. NASA is a agency. At about 9 am, 19.30 hours first, as it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude, means a height of over 2 lakhs feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the seven-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Dear children, now your lesson starts. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. Frontier means outer limits of space. Karnal is a place in Haryana where she was born. So, as a child, she had never thought that she would cross the frontiers of space, means outer limits of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. I think it is easy for you to understand. After a Bachelor of Science degree, BSc, in aeronautical engineering, do you know what is aeronautical? Knowledge about the working of aeroplanes. This is called aeronautical engineering. Against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off. What is meaning of blast off? To set off with loud noise from the Launch pad. What is launch pad? The platform from where the spacecraft is sent up at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered, along with a staff at the Kennedy Space Center, as they watched the Columbia lift off. Lift off means go up in space. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, means right of citizenship. Married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed, means authorized, to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes, single engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. Instructor means one who teaches others. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program. NASA is an agency which controls space missions in United States of America. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she told, I really never ever thought while pursuing, means continuing my studies or doing anything else, that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, luckily, always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on, continue it. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food. Pollinating means to transfer pollen to stigma in a flower. Okay? Pollinating plants to observe food growth in a space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag. means cost of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster, that is calamity, broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued, means stuck to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived means remained alive. A journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability. Enormous means a lot of ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, super specialization means expert in concerned field. It, you can say vast or so expert in concerned field. You must have encyclopedic knowledge, means vast knowledge or enormous knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring, means stunning. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration, means encouragement, in a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Adapted from Spain, January February 1998. Dear children, now there are some questions for you. We must discuss this. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? You can easily answer. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. Why is she called an Indian American? I think you can answer. She is called an Indian American because by birth she was Indian, but she obtained American citizenship later. Okay? When and why did she go to the US? She went to the US in 1994 for a master's degree. Who did she marry? You can easily answer. She married with flight instructor Mr. Harrison. How did she become an astronaut? She became an astronaut in 1994 as he was selected by NASA for training after qualifying as a pilot. What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? She got the idea that she could be an astronaut when she was selected by NASA for training as a pilot. Okay. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? Just you have seen, according to the journalist, the astronaut must have a wide range of information. He should know everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. Question number 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Kalpana Chawla's first mission was in a space shuttle Columbia. Its duration was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes. Okay. She went around the Earth 252 times. The crew performed many experiments. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Kalpana Chawla said that the path from dreams to success does exist. Yes, you can be agree that one who starts off on his journey fulfill his dreams. Dear children, there are some other exercises. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. Date and place of liftoff. It was 16th January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Number of astronauts on board? 6 plus 1. Who was one? Kalpana Chawla. It means total number of astronauts on board 7. Number of days it stayed in space 16 days. Number of experiments done by scientists 80 experiments. 80 experiments. Date of return journey, that was Saturday 1st February 2003. Height at which it lost contact, it was 2 lakh feet. Okay. Dear children, now working with language, match the following. Unprecedented space tragedy. You have to search unprecedented space tragedy. A sad accident. You can see on right side a sad accident of a kind that it has never happened before in space. 2. Certified flight instructor. A person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes is called certified flight instructor. Third, what is a space mission? A set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Super specialization. Last one, right side. Great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Encyclopedic knowledge. Just I have told you, encyclopedic means vast knowledge. Okay. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. 6. Awe-inspiring. Right side first. Something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. In this age, nowadays, in these times, so I think you can do this by yourself. Next exercise. Use these phrases in sentences of your own. After finding out their meanings, broke apart. I think you can do. Broke apart means to break off. The gas cylinder broke apart in flames because the gas was leaking. You can say easily say. Next is sticked over, means moved over rapidly. The helicopter sticked over the fields. Next is spread across, means covered over a large area. You can say darkness spread over the sky. Next is blast off, means to set off with loud noise. The rocket blasted off from its station. Went on means to continue doing. The talk went on for two hours. You can say cheered along, means to applaud. The crowd cheered along as the leader came on the stage. Okay. On board means to be on the ship. There were 7 passengers on board in Colombia. Last one is carry on. To keep on doing, we should carry on our tasks. Dear children, see exercise C. We add un to make opposites. For example, true and true. If you add un to true, it will be untrue. Add un to the words below to make their opposites. Then look up the meanings of the words you have found in the dictionary. Identified, you can say. Unidentified. What will be the meaning? Mysterious. Controlled, you can make uncontrolled. beyond control. Attended means you can make opposite by adding un. Unattended means remaining absent. Successful, you can make opposite. Unsuccessful means fail. Important, unimportant, that is ordinary. Educated, uneducated, illiterate. Interesting, you can say uninteresting, that is dull. Qualified, unqualified means not qualified. Trained, untrained means one who is not trained. Answerable, and you can make opposite. Unanswerable means not answerable. So I think you can do these things by yourself. There is a question for speaking. You should try to do this by yourself. There is a other question for writing. Do you have a dream or something you very much wish to do? Write a paragraph saying what you want to or wish to do. Then say in another paragraph how you think you can make your dream come true. I think you can do by yourself. And last exercise is there for you. British, you see the word color. What is American? A spelling of American English color, that is COLOR. So you try to do this by yourself. Thank you. Read this lesson again and again. Listen this video, and I think you can do very well. Thank you.